Kaya nga eh. May mga ano eh.
Yung dati 200 grams lang, pag kinain niya 250 kasi may kahoy na kasama. Okay, then
May elements.
you chop it like that. Okay, the smaller, the better. Oh, yun lang. Pines lang ha, pines. So I think this is enough for one person, no?
Kulang.
Pangis yung
Kulang.
sinigurot, parang... Totoo ba? Nick ha? Baka hanggang ano lang to. Oh. Hindi, okay lang to. Why? Kasi you still have to saute. So we will give you, so ito group ng pangalawang tao. I will just get a little bit shot kasi we will sample. Let's see if ano, if the one we have for the tray is more than enough, or if not, then we will just add a little bit of the condiments. Okay. So, may smoky flavor na siya, di ba? Then, what we will do is you will saute. Okay, calamansi, nor seasoning, soy sauce, calamansi, etc. etc. So, how do we do that? Nain muna natin. Since marami naman siyang oil,